Exercise 11.1, question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also, find the area. Now here rectangular sheet is there. In it, perimeter is given, that is 100 centimeter, and its length is given, that is 35 centimeter. And we have to find breadth, and afterwards we have to find area. So here this is a rectangular sheet shape, that is rectangle. Length is given, that is 35 centimeter, and breadth we have to find, so we will take small b as a breadth. Here what we have, that we will write first, that is length, that is 35 centimeter, and breadth that we have to find. Here perimeter is given and length is given, so therefore we will use formula of a perimeter, okay, and from that we will find breadth. So therefore the perimeter of a, here we will write rectangular sheet. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet, that is nothing but, we know the formula, that is 2 in the bracket length plus breadth, that is equal to 100. 100 centimeter is given now, so we will write 100. So now we will put the values of L, length and breadth. Length is given, that is 35, and breadth we have to find, so we will write small b only, that is equal to 100. Here we will remove this 2 first. So to remove 2 first, what we have to do, we have to divide this left hand side by 2, same way we have to do on right hand side. So here first we will divide this left hand side by 2, this 2 will cancel out, so 35 plus b only left, and when we divide 100 by 2, it will be 100 by 2. Here we know that 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. This 0 will cut out and the 0 will come here, so it will be 100 by 2 is nothing but 50. So 35 plus b, that is equal to 50. And therefore now we will transpose the 35 from left hand side to right hand side, because we want to find breadth, that is small b. So when we transpose this 35 from left hand side to right hand side, this positive 35 become negative 35, and therefore b is equal to 50 minus 35, that is nothing but 15. And what will be the unit? Unit is centimeter. So breadth, we have found breadth, that is nothing but 15 centimeter. Now we will find area. Therefore area of rectangular sheet is equal to length multiplied by breadth. This is the formula. Now we have length and breadth, so we will write length, that is 35, multiplied by breadth, that is 15. And what will be unit? Area of unit is unit square. Unit is centimeter, the centimeter square will come. 35 multiplied by 50 we have to do, so here we will do 35 multiplied by 15. 5 5s are 25, 2 will come, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 17. Here 0 will come, 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3. We will add these two numbers, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 12, 1 will come, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5. So what is the answer? 35 multiplied by 15 is nothing but 525. So what will come? 525, and unit will come centimeter square. So area of rectangular sheet is 525 centimeter square. So here we will write the full answer. Thus area of rectangular sheet is 525 centimeter square, and breadth is 15 centimeter. We can write first breadth also, that breadth of a rectangular sheet is 15 centimeter and area is 525 centimeter square. Question number 5. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. So here it is given that area of a square park, this is shape of square and this is rectangle, so we will take it as a rectangular park and here it is square park, and their area are equal. And now here measure of a square park side is 60 meter and measure of rectangular park's length is 90 meter, and what we have to find the breadth of the rectangular park. So here we have to find the breadth of a rectangular park. So what we will do, first of all, as it is given that area is equal, area are equal of these two parks, so we will use that information and we will find the breadth. So first of all, for a square we will find area of a square as we have measure of side. So here for square park, measure is given, side is 60 meter, so therefore area of square park, that is equal to side square, that is equal to what is side, 60 meter, so 60 square and unit will be meter square. 60 square is nothing but 60 multiplied by 60 meter square. And what is 60 multiplied by 60? First we will multiply 6 multiplied by 6, that will be 36, and this 0 and this 0 will come afterwards, 36. So 60 multiplied by 60 will be 3600 or 3600 and unit will be meter square. So here we got area of square park is 3600 meter square. Now for rectangular park, what we have, so here we have length, that is 90 meter, and breadth, which we have to find. Now in question first line is that area of a square park is same as a rectangular park, so we will use that information here. Given that area of rectangular park is equal to area of square park. Area of rectangular park is nothing but length multiplied by breadth, and area of square park, here we do not have to write side square as we have already found area of a square park, that is 3600. Length we have, that is 90 meter, so here we will write 90, and breadth, which we have to find, so here we will write B, that is equal to 3600, and therefore here we will remove this 90 from left hand side. So what we have to do, we will divide this whole equation, left hand side and right hand side, by 90. So here in left hand side, when we divide by 90, this 90 will be removed and B only left, so B is equal to, here 3600 will be divided by 90. This simplification we can do directly, this 0 and this 0 will cut, as we know that 9 ones are 9 and 9 fours are 36. This 0 will cut and it will come above with 4. So 3600 or 33,600 divided by 90 will be 40. So here I will write, here only I will write that B is equal to 40 meter. So here we have found the answer, that is find the breadth of the rectangular park. So what we have done, we have used information of square park, side is 60 meter. We have found the area, which is 30,600 meter. It is and it is given that area of rectangular park is equal to area of square park. So this 3,600 we have used here. So length multiplied by breadth, that is nothing but area of rectangular park is equal to 3,600. We have put the 90 and then we have done simplification. We got the breadth, that is 40 meter. Question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So here the wire is in the shape of a rectangle having length 40 centimeter and breadth 22 centimeter. It is rebent to the shape square. Which side we have to find? So how we can use this information to find the length of the side of a square? So here we have to think about it, that wire is in the shape of a rectangle. That wire have some exact length, and that length is nothing but a perimeter of a rectangle. Now this same wire is rebent and made square. So the perimeter of the square is nothing but length of this wire. So therefore this rectangle's perimeter and the square's perimeter are same. So we will use this information to find the length of the side of a square. Afterwards, what we have to do, we have to find which shape encloses more area. So from this rectangle and square, which shape is having more area, we have to find. So therefore we have to find the area of this rectangle and area of this square. So now we will start our solution for this question. So here for rectangle, first what we have, that is length we have, that is 40 centimeter, and breadth we have, that is 22 centimeter. We will use this information to find perimeter of a rectangle. That is nothing but, everyone, you have to remember formula of perimeter of a rectangle. There is 2 in the bracket length plus breadth, 2 into length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 into bracket length, which is 40 centimeter, plus breadth, that is 22 centimeter, that is equal to 2 in the bracket 40 centimeter plus 22 centimeter is what? 62 centimeter. We can do this calculation, this addition. 2 multiplied by 62 centimeter we have to do. So 2 multiplied by 62 is nothing but 124 centimeter. So here we have found the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 124 centimeter. This perimeter of a rectangle 124 will be same for perimeter of a square, because this perimeter is nothing but 124 centimeter is nothing but length of the wire, and that same wire was rebent into the square. So perimeter of square will be same, that is nothing but 124 centimeter. So we will use this information to find the length of the side of a square. So here we will write 4 square we have to find length of the side. Okay, so here we will put question mark and then we will write perimeter of square, that is equal to meter of rectangle. For this question only, from this information in question it is given, we can write perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle, which is given. So perimeter of square we don't know, so we will use formula, that is nothing but 4 multiplied by side, that is equal to perimeter of rectangle, which we have found, that is 124 centimeter. So here we have to find length of the side. So length of the side, here we have to remove this 4. To remove this 4, what we will do, we will divide this equation by 4. So in left hand side, when we divide by 4, 4 will be removed, and when in right hand side we will divide by 4, so 124 by 4 will come. So here we will do 124 by 4, 4 3s are 12, 0, 4 will come, 4 1s are 4, remainder 0. So our quotient is 31. So 124 by 4 is nothing but 31. So length of the side is 31, and what is unit? Unit is centimeter. Side is equal to 31 centimeter. This is the length of a side of a square. So we have found the side 31 centimeter. Now we have to find area of rectangle and area of square for comparison. So first we will find area of rectangle, that is equal to length multiplied by breadth. What is length? Length is given 40, and what is breadth? That is 22. 40 multiplied by 22, and what will be unit? That is centimeter square will come. 40 multiplied by 22 we have to do, that is nothing but, okay, here we will do first 40 multiplied by 22, 0 2s are 0, 4 2s are 8, then 0, 0 2s are 0, 4 2s are 8, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 0 8, 8 8. So 880 answer came. So 40 multiplied by 22 is nothing but 880 centimeter square. So we have found the area of rectangle. Now we will find the area of square. Area of square is nothing but side square. So we have found the side, length of the side, that is nothing but 31 square, and unit will be centimeter square. 31 square is nothing but 31 multiplied by 31 centimeter square. So here we will do the multiplication, 31 multiplied by 31. 1 1s are 1, 3 1s are 3, then 0, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. We will add these two numbers, 31 plus 9 30, 1 plus 0 1, 3 plus 3 6, and 9. So 961. So that is equal to nothing but 961 centimeter square. So area of square is 961 centimeter square, and area of rectangle is 880 centimeter square. Now we have to compare them, as we can see that area of square is greater than area of rectangle. So we can write, our question was given, was that what we have to find, that which shape encloses more area. So we can write from this solution that hence first we have find length of the square, that the measure of the side of square is 31 centimeter and square shape encloses more area. So here we found the measure of square, that is 31 centimeter. Side of measure of square is 31 centimeter, and when we compare the area of rectangle and area of square is greater than area of rectangle, so square is encloses more area. Question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is given, that is 130 centimeter, and its breadth is given, that is 30 centimeter. And from this information we have to find length. So here length we have to find, breadth is given, that is 30 centimeter, and perimeter is given. So we will use formula of perimeter. From that we can find length, as perimeter of rectangle is already given. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to nothing but 130 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of rectangle we will use here formula, that is 2 in the bracket length plus breadth is equal to 130. Therefore 2 in the bracket length we have to find, so we will write L only, and breadth we have, that is 30 centimeter, that is equal to 130. Here we have to remove these 2 first. Similarly what we have done earlier, we will remove this 2 by dividing this equation, this left hand side and this right hand side, by 2. So here when we divide this left hand side by 2, this 2 will remove, so only L plus 30 will be left, and in right hand side 130 will be divided by 2. And therefore L plus 30, when we divide 130 by 2, we will get 65. Now what we have to do? Now here from left hand side we have to remove this 30 to find L. So when we remove this 30 from left hand side, what we have to do? We have to transpose this 30 from left hand side to right hand side. So this plus 30, that is positive 30, will become negative 30 when it will go to right hand side, that is minus 30. So L is equal to 65 minus 30. Therefore L is equal to 65 minus 30 is nothing but 35. So we have found the measure of the length of a rectangle, that is 35, and unit is centimeter. So L is equal to 35 centimeter we have found. Now also what we have to find? We have to find area of the rectangle. So here we have length and breadth. We will use this information to find area of rectangle, that is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 35 and breadth is 30. So 35 minus 35 multiplied by 30, and that is equal to, so here we will do this multiplication, 35 multiplied by 30. Okay, so here 0 will come, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So what we got? 35 multiplied by 30, we got 1050. So here 1050 is not the proper answer. We have to write unit also, that is centimeter. Area of a rectangle is unit square, that is centimeter square. So area of rectangle is nothing but 1050 centimeter square. Question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So here what is given, that one door is fitted in a wall. Measurements of door is given, that length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. And also wall's measurement is also given, that length is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall, and cost is also given, the rate is also given to whitewash the wall, that is nothing but 20 per meter square, rupees 20 per meter square. Now here what we have to keep in mind, to whitewash the wall we have to find the first area of the wall, then we can find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Now here keep in mind, when we whitewash the wall we do not have to include the door we do not have to whitewash. So for that we have to find the part of the area which we have to whitewash on the wall. So now it is what we will do. First of all, we will find the area of the whole area of the wall, and we will subtract area of door from it. So when we subtract area of door from it, that means what we have to find? We have to find the area of the wall except this door. We have to find this area except this door. So what we do? A simple thing. We'll find the area of the wall first, then we will find the area of the door, and then we will subtract this area of door from area of wall. We will find the area of the wall which we have to whitewash, and then we will find the cost of the whitewashing the wall. So first of all we will find area of door. So here we will write for door. For door, what are the measurements are we have? That is breadth 1 meter and length, that is 2 meter. So therefore area of door is equal to, what is area of door is what? Which figure is it? It is nothing but rectangle. So area of door is nothing but length multiplied by breadth. Length is 2 meter, so 2 multiplied by breadth is 1 meter, 2 multiplied by 1, and unit will be, here meter is there, so in area it will be meter square. 2 ones are 2 meter square. That is the area of door. Now we will find area of wall. Before that we will write for wall. What is length is given? It is given 4.5 meter. And what is breadth? Breadth is 3.6 meter. So therefore area of wall, again this wall is also in a rectangular shape, so area of wall will be length multiplied by breadth, that is equal to, length is 4.5 meter, so 4.5 multiplied by breadth, that is 3.6 meter. So 3.6 bracket close, and we will write unit. Area of unit will be, what is it? Unit square. Here meter is there, so meter square. Now we have to multiply this to decimal number. So how we multiply to decimal number? We will multiply as whole numbers. So we will write as whole number 45 and 36. Now here it is what we have, 4.5. So here we will write one decimal place. We can see that now one decimal place is there, and in 3.6 also one decimal place is there. So whatever we will find the answer, in that answer how many decimal place will come? So one decimal place plus one decimal place, that is 2 decimal place. So 2 decimal place will come. So here we will do the multiplication. 5 6 are 30, 3 will come here. 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 3 27. Now 5, okay, 6 done. 3 0 we will put first, then afterwards 5 3s are 15, So here 5 and here 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Now we will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 2. 1 will come above. 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 1, so 1 will remain. So what is the answer? 1620. But here we have to keep in mind the answer will come in 1 plus 1, that is 2 decimal place. So 2 decimal place answer will come. So where 2 decimal place? So 0, 2, and before 2 decimal point will come. So our answer is what? 16, that is 16.20 meter square, and we can write this 16.20 as 16.2 only, 16.2 meter square. So here we have found area of door and area of wall. Now we will find area to be whitewash. Area to be whitewash, that is equal to, what is it? Area of wall minus area of door. What is area of wall? That is 16.2. 16.2 minus what is area of door? That is 2, and unit will be meter square. 16.2 minus 2 will be, directly we can do, it is 14.2 meter square. So area to be whitewash is 14.2 meter square. Now we will find the cost of whitewashing the wall. So therefore, cost of whitewashing the wall is equal to nothing but rate of whitewashing multiply by area to be whitewash. Area to be whitewashed, and that is equal to rate of whitewashing is given, that is nothing but rupees 20 per meter square, and multiply by area to be whitewashed, which we have found it is 14.2, and this answer will come in rupees. So here we will put rupees sign. Now what we have to do? 20 multiply by 14.2. So same way we will do 14.2, we will write 142 multiply by 20. In 142 how many decimal place are there? 14.2, so 1 decimal place, and in 20 0 decimal place. 1 plus 0 will be 1 decimal place. So answer will come in 1 decimal place. So here we will multiply by 2, 0 is there, so here we will put 0. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. So answer is 2840. In 1 decimal answer will come, so here point will come, so answer is nothing but 284.0, or we can directly write it is rupees 284. So our answer is rupees 284. So thus we will write the whole answer. Cost of white washing the wall is rupees 284.